Most people are told to invest, but they're never told how to get the money to actually start. When your bills are high and income is tight, investing can feel like a luxury. But there are ways to build up your investment fund, even with limited resources. This video is about practical, real-world side hustles anyone in Canada or the U.S. can start without needing a degree, thousands of dollars, or special skills. First, flip what you already have. Most homes are sitting on hundreds of dollars in unused items. Old phones, electronics, tools, furniture. These can all be listed locally on Facebook Marketplace, Kijiji, Craigslist, or eBay. That extra few $100 can be the beginning of your investment fund. Next, if you drive or commute often, use it. Food delivery with Uber Eats or DoorDash, or offering rides with Lyft or Uber, lets you earn money on your own schedule. Many Canadians and Americans use this as a flexible second job. Even 1 or 2 days a week can build consistent investing capital. For those who prefer online work, consider freelancing. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr offer paid gigs in writing, design, video editing, voiceovers, even basic virtual assistants. You don't need to be a professional. You can learn basic skills for free on YouTube and start small. The point is to start building extra income you can save or invest. One of the best overlooked hustles is digital resale. Buy local undervalued items, clean them up or bundle them, and resell online. This works with books, tech, vintage goods, or collectibles. If you research what sells, it's one of the lowest risk side businesses. Every flip adds to your growing investment stash. Another strategy is knowledge-based hustles. If you know anything someone else wants to learn, language, fitness, trades, taxes, you can teach it through online calls or digital downloads. Zoom lessons, coaching, or PDFs sold on Gumroad or Etsy can turn your knowledge into cash flow. Don't ignore gig apps like TaskRabbit, Handy, or Rover. If you're good with your hands, pets, or general tasks, these services pay well per hour. Plus, they can turn into regular clients. If you're younger or tech-savvy, use social media as a hustle. TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts are powerful tools to build an audience. Monetization takes time, but affiliate links, digital products, and even brand deals can turn content into consistent money. The goal isn't to hustle forever. The goal is to generate enough extra money that can be moved into an investment account, stocks, ETFs, high-yield savings, or retirement funds. Even small weekly contributions compound over time. The faster you build that fund, the faster you break free from living paycheck to paycheck. Finally, mindset is key. Don't chase every hustle. Focus on 1 or 2 and stay consistent. Track your income. Automate saving or investing a fixed percent, even if it's just $10 a week. Because once your money starts working for you, the game changes. These are not get-rich-quick tricks. They are real, tested methods that work when done with patience and purpose. You don't need permission to begin, just a decision. Start now with what you have and build the foundation for your financial future. Your hustle today becomes your freedom tomorrow.